Okay, before we start, let us stand for a prayer. Can you listen in?
In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Amen.
So, good morning.
Good morning, Teacher Shane.
Okay, so before we take your seat, you pick up some pieces of paper under your chair, and after that, arrange your chair. Okay, thank you. Say present if your name is called, okay? Miss Tadem.
Present.
Okay, thank you. So, now, who can still remember our classroom rules? Okay? Miss Tadem, okay? Stand up.
Listen to the teacher. Raise your right hand if you want to answer, and respect your teacher.
Okay, thank you. So now class, before we proceed our next lessons, let us quick review first. So now who can still remember our class, our lesson last meeting? Okay.
It's all about shape, teacher.
Okay, shapes.
Texture, teacher.
Okay, very good. Now class, what do you think is shape? What is shape? Okay.
Shape is a form of outline, teacher.
Okay, very good. So now, who can give me an example of shape? Can you give me an example of shapes?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, please stand up.
Star, rectangle, triangle, and diamond, teacher.
Okay, very good. So now, what objects around you have a shapes? Have a different from the shapes?
TV, teacher.
Okay, very good. And even now, what is the color?
The color of the TV is color black, teacher.
Okay, very good. So now, you can give me an example of color.
Blue, yellow, orange, and violet.
Okay, very good. Now the last one is the last one is a texture. So what is texture? Okay.
Texture is about the smoothness, the roughness of the object, teacher.
Okay, that's right. Very good. So now, what objects around you have different textures? Okay.
For example, teacher, this table. The texture of the table is smooth.
Okay, very good. Now, class, I have here another picture. So before we're going to explore the amazing worlds of animals and discover something interesting, okay? Okay, class, I have here a pictures and I want you to analyze what picture is all about. So what is the picture is all about? Okay?
It's all about animals.
That's right, it's all about animals. So now, you can tell me what other you notice about the pictures.
The difference between the pictures is, ang usa teacher is daghang tunog or daghang tunog, while ang sharp is gamay rough or the sharpness.
Okay, what other? Okay, very good. What other have you noticed of the pictures?
Their shapes, teacher.
Okay, what shapes are there?
Triangle and circle.
Okay, very good. Now, based on the pictures that I present in you, what do you think our topic for this morning? Okay,
Shapes in animals, teacher.
that's right. It's about shapes in animals. So this afternoon, we will discuss about shapes in animals, wherein at the end of the lessons, you'll be able to Please read. Okay, please read that.
Identify and describe the basic shapes in animals. Draw animals and their habitats by creatively combining geometric shapes, colors, and textures. And explain the importance of shapes in understanding and creating animals and their habitats.
Okay, very good. Now class, based on the pictures that I presented you, what is our topic again? Okay.
It's all about shapes in animals. teacher.
Okay, what other are you observed about the pictures that I present you?
It has different colors.
Okay, very good. So what do you mean by the shape? So what is shapes in? Okay, shapes is, the shape is animals means the form of outline of animals, body or its parts, just like the objects can look like the circles, squares, triangles or ovals. So animals also have the body parts that look like in different shapes. Now, I have here another example. So let's look at some pictures and analyze what picture is all about. Now class, do you know what is this?
Yes, teacher.
So what animals is that?
It's a shark.
Correct. So the answer is
Shark.
shark. That's right. So what shape do you see in the shark? In the body of the shark. Okay.
The body of a shark is oval. The middle fin is triangle.
Okay, that's right. So now, what did you see or what pictures do you think the shark have?
Ang picture. Smooth and funny.
Okay, that's right. So now, where do sharks live? Okay, Miss Nadia?
In the ocean.
That's right, correct, the ocean. So why do you think the shark has that shapes?
To move freely in the water.
Okay, very good. Now, I have here another picture. So, what picture is that?
A bird.
A bird. So, the answer is bird. So, what is the color of the bird? Okay.
White, yellow, blue, and orange.
Okay, that's right. Now, what textures do you think the bird has? Okay.
The texture of the bird is soft because of the feather.
Okay, that's right. So now, where do the birds live? Okay, stand up please.
In the tree picture.
Okay, that's right, correct. So why does the bird have a wings? Okay,
So that the bird can fly picture.
okay, that's right. Now I have here another last pictures. So what picture is that?
A dog.
A dog, that's right. So the answer is a dog. So what is the color of the dog? Okay,
Brown, white, and black picture.
okay, now what shapes did you see in the dog? Okay, stand up.
A dog has a rectangular legs.
Okay, very good. So now, what is the texture of the dog? Okay,
Furry and soft picture.
that's right. So where are the dogs usually live? Okay, stand up.
In the land or at the house.
That's right. So why do you think the dog has a fair body? Okay, stand up.
To keep his body warm.
Okay, very good. So now class, based on the pictures that I presented you, do you know what they are called? The shapes. Do you know what they are called, the shapes? Okay?
Geometric shapes.
That's right. Geometry shapes. So what is geometry shapes? So in your idea, what is geometric shapes? shapes. So, unsa din is geometric shapes? Okay, geometric shapes, these shapes makes the animal's body strong and make suitable for living in its environment. So now, can you give me an examples of geometric shapes? Okay, stand up.
Circle, triangle, and rectangle picture.
Okay, very good. So now, where else can we see the geometric shapes aside from the animals? Okay?
In this room, teacher.
Okay, in this room, what else?
In our house.
That's right, in the houses or buildings or toys. So now, class, this is the geometric shape. So, saan nyo nakita sa geometric shape? Sa pictures, mga shapes, ano na sila? Rectangle, square, triangle, circle, oval, and diamond. So today, we will explore the geometric shapes of the animals and learn how the shapes help them in live and move their environment. So now, class, what they are called again?
Geometric shape.
That's right. So what are the shapes that you can see in this?
Rectangle, square, triangle, circle, oval, and diamond picture.
Okay, that's right. So I have here another samples. What animals is this? Okay?
Elephant picture.
Okay, that's right. Elephant. So the answer is elephant. So what did you see in the picture? What shape did you see in the picture of animals? Okay?
I saw a circle, rectangle, triangle, and picture. More picture.
Okay, very good. So the elephant can be made with a big ovals for its body and head and a long curved shape for its neck. Now guys, I have here another example. So what animal is this? Okay?
A turtle picture.
A turtle, that's right. So now what shapes can you see in the turtle? Shell. Okay?
Yung shell kay semicircle or half sa circle.
Okay, that's right. So what shapes are the turtle head and feet?
Ang iyang head is circle, ang iyang feet kay square, and ang iyang tail kay triangle.
Very good. So now, class, a turtle will have a circle, a semicircle over its shell, and smaller circle over head, and the feet is the square, and the agent tail is triangle. Now, I have here another examples. What animals is this? Okay,
A lion picture.
a lion. So the answer is a lion. So now, guys, what shapes the lion has? Okay?
Ang iyang body o iyang tail picture kay rectangle, ang iyang feet ay same po sa iyang feet. Diyan, iyang face kay circle, iyang eye circle, iyang mouth, iyang nose is triangle.
Okay, very good. Now, as I said earlier, animals have a different body shapes to help them survive in their environment. So these shapes help them to find the food and stay safe and move around. Okay, so animals of the lion can have a big circle for its head and body and triangle for its neck. So I have here another pictures. So look at some pictures carefully. What animals are there? Hmm? Okay.
Ako kay bawon sa mga tinawag picture, pero kanina okay ba ang tinawag ng picture, pero kanan dumakay ba kung snake o fish. Sa tinawag ng picture.
A hedgehog. Ah, okay, that is a hedgehog. Now, what shapes do you notice about their body? Okay.
Ang fish picture kay pointed ang iyang mga shape. Mga nila sa triangle. Diyan ang sa snake large. hedgehog guy, punong-punong picture.
Okay, so now class, what do you think or what do we call the fish pointed had smooth body shapes? Okay,
A streamlined shape picture.
a streamline shape. So what is streamline shapes? Okay,
It is the smoothness or the roughness of an object picture.
okay, that's right. This shape is smooth and pointed in ends like a boat or a body. So what does it mean if an animal has a streamline shape? Hmm? What does it mean if an animal has a streamline shape? Okay?
It means their body are smooth and pointed.
Okay, very good. So now, what do you think the fish has a streamline shape? Ganun na, may kanang, nga namang, di ko alam man ang fish of streamline shape. So, also like purpose ni siya. Hmm? Okay?
Because a fish can swim faster.
That's right. The fish can swim faster. So now, guys, can you give me the example of a streamline shape? Another example of streamline shapes. Okay?
A dolphin picture.
A dolphin. Very good. Now, class, why is the streamline shapes important for animals? Okay?
It helps them to move freely in the water picture.
That's right. It helps them move very fast through water or air by letting the water or air slide easily around them. So now, class, the second. What do you think? What do you think the snake long and thin body?
Is a picture?
What do you call the snake long and thin body? It's a long or a tube shape. So what does it mean if an animal has a long or tube snake? Okay,
It means their body long and flexible picture.
that's right. It means their body is long, flexible, and narrow. These shapes help them wiggle, slide, or fit into small or tight spaces. Now, what do you think the snake needs a long and thin body? Okay,
So the snake move freely in the ground picture.
okay. So now, can you give me another name, and another name of the animals that also have a long or tube-shaped body? Okay.
A worm picture.
That's right, a worm. So how does a worm has a long body help it move? Okay,
Because the worm helps wiggle its tail.
that's right. So now, what do you think the worms need a long and thin body? Okay,
So it can easily burrow the soil picture.
that's right. So why is a long or tube shape important for animals? Okay,
So that it can help them move or burrow freely picture.
that's right. So it helps them move smoothly and easily through the narrow spaces. And the last, what do you think the hedgehog has a round body shapes?
A bowl-shaped picture.
It's a ball shape, that's right. So its body is a curly or spherical, often short and curved, which helps it roll or protect itself. So now, again, what does it mean if the animals has a round body shapes?
Bowl-shaped.
That's right, a ball shape, a ball shapes. Now, can you give me an animal? Can you give me an example of animals have with a round or a ball shapes? Okay?
Ladybug teacher.
That's right. So what do you think a ladybug has a round or ball shaped body? Hmm? What do you think a ladybug? Okay?
It helps them roll or kanang it protects them of nice like away teacher.
Okay, so why is a hedgehog round ball shapes important for the animals? So ano important man ang shape sa hedgehog? Okay, so it helps them protect themselves, move easily, or fit into the small spaces. Okay, now what are the basic geometry shapes that we can find in the animals? Okay?
Circles, triangles, rectangles, teacher.
Okay, that's right. These shapes can be found in different parts of animals' bodies, just like eyes, ears, or what else. So now, what is our topic again? Okay, Sana?
Shapes in animals, teacher.
Very good. It's the shapes in animals. So how does the shapes help the animals? Okay, Sana?
For example, teacher, in the shark, so that the shark helps to swim or swim fast.
That's right. So just like how the boats or planes have pointed tips to move faster. Now, why do you think it has these shapes? Okay?
It helps them protect themselves from the away teacher.
Okay, that's right. So just like our helmets, no? It protects our head. Animals use their round shapes for protections. And now, why it's the shapes useful? Okay?
It helps the body support teacher.
That's right. So, like for example, engineering design rectangular structures to support the weight just like these animals' body to support them. And again, based on the shapes that we saw streamlined, long or tube, and round, why are the special body shapes important for the animals?
Teacher?
Based on the shapes that we saw, the streamlined or long tube and the round, why are special body shapes important for the animals? Okay?
Shapes important for animals to move freely and to protect themselves, teacher.
Okay, that's right. So just like an athletes. Athletes wear shoes designed for running fast. So animals also shapes are made for for their environment. And now, why do you think the special shapes of animals are important? Okay?
So that the animals can survive, teacher.
Okay, that's right. So like the shapes help them adapt the environment just like the tools help us in our daily life. So now class, I have here an activity. So can you please read the activity first?
Build your animal world. Draw one animal that you like, including its habitat, and emphasize the shapes, colors, and textures seen in the animals.
Okay, so now I have here. So okay, so I will give you 2 minutes to create an activity. 2 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. Okay, I have here the rubrics of the activity. Okay. Rubric. Ako nagbasa ko na. Kasi ito. Kasi ito. Alright. Dito na. Okay, so the rubrics of these activities, so I will read my rubrics. So in criteria, we have creativity and originality. So we have 4 is excellence, 3 is good, 2 is developing, and 1 is beginning. So in the 4 excellence, very creative idea, unique and imaginative animal world. In the 3 points, we have creative idea, shows a good imagination, and the 2 points is developing, some creativity show but a sample, and beginning, 1 point, little creativity, very basic. So the second criteria is we have use of shapes. So 4 points, page is usually used with balance, layout, animals and habitat fill the space well. So the 3 points in the use of space, so this is the second criteria, is most of the page is used, layout is balance. And 2 points, some empty areas, layout and event. So 1 point is very little space used, empty or unfinished. So the third criteria is we have understanding or shapes. So for 4 points, we have 4 points which is excellence. Shapes are used correctly and clearly show the animal's body parts. So the 3 points, shapes mostly correct with small mistake, and 2 points, some shapes used but parts are unclear. So 1 point, shapes not used correctly or missing. So the 4th criteria is we have the details completeness. So 4 points is drawing is complete with the many details in both animals and habitat. So 3 points, most complete, some details included. So 2 points is complete, few details, and 1 point is unfinished and very few or no details. So the last category is we have the colors and neatness. So 4 points is coloring is neat, bright, and complete. So 3 points, mostly neat, coloring few mistakes. So 2 points is some neat, but coloring incomplete. So 1 point, messy or no coloring. So I'll give you 5 minutes to create your activity. Are you done? Okay.
Bukas mag-water dyan.
Okay.
Done, teacher.
Okay, thank you. So, can you please show your answer in front? Okay, please.
I draw a turtle, teacher.
Okay, so what color of the turtle do you?
Ang di color sa iyang head, teacher, kay green. Kaya iyang eyes kay black. Ang iyang kanang iyang cover, teacher, or the shell kay ang gimmicks ang color orange o brown.
Okay, so what pictures the turtle?
Ang iyang shell, teacher, kay smooth. Ang iyang head kay naipagtarap.
Okay, thank you. That's right. So,
Ang pag-laip mo, activity.
okay, here another activity. So I will give you. Now, can you please read the direction first?
Read the question carefully. Identify what shapes are being described in each sentence. Encircle the letter of the correct answer.
Okay, so I have here another directions.
For text 2, identify shapes in the animals. Look at the pictures of the animals. Shark, birds, dog, fish, and turtle.
Okay, please answer. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to answer this activity.
Done, teacher.
Okay, please pass the list in front. Okay, now class, so before we end, I have here another, this is for assignment. So can you please read the instruction? Direction first.
Choose at least 5 of your favorite animals. Write the name of each animal and describe the shapes you see in its body. Use simple shapes like circle, oval, triangle, rectangle, and square.
Okay, thank you. So this activity or these assignments pass the next meeting, okay? So this is our discussions end. Thank you. So goodbye.
Goodbye and thank you, Teacher Shane.
Goodbye.